Hi, I'm Bert Schmidt, President and CEO of WHRO. Back in 2005, we set up the Center for Regional Citizenship to really be that neutral convener to address issues important in Hampton Roads. We've talked about issues like the closing of Fort Monroe, early childhood education, and youth political participation. In 2007, we focused on childhood obesity. We've been proud to work for these past couple of years with the Virginia Interfaith Center and Doug Schmidt.
I can think of no more pressing issue for America's youth and the future of our national health than childhood obesity. We've all seen the images. We've seen them at the mall, the local fast food chain, even in our houses of worship. Children caught in the clutches of unhealthy food decisions and wondering what the future holds as an overweight child.
A lot of youth get this weird perception that, oh, I'm young, it doesn't affect me. Or I'm young, I have until my 30s and 40s where I have to really worry about staying physically fit, but I can eat anything I want now. No, that's not so, because today's youth generation, they're not as active as they was when I was smaller. As far as going outside playing football and basketball, everyone sit home, sleep longer, play more video games, and watch more TV.
What we have is a healthcare epidemic. That's why the Virginia Interfaith Center is so pleased to have joined with our partners at WHRO and the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation to begin to listen and to speak out about the causes of obesity and the creative ideas that people on the ground have to combat this problem.
One of the things is that we need to get in collaboration with other groups, like we were with the Y, and we do blood drives and we do health fairs and all that, is that it makes them more conscious of the kinds of foods and things that they should not eat, and keeps down their cholesterol, their blood pressure, and all of that. So when you give people educational skills about how to handle their diets, then they're more prone to work and, with that.
We are committed to helping to create a healthier community. This is the physical health. Come in on Sunday morning, we'll deal with the spiritual health. But both are very important. And if you sit and just preach on one to the ignoring of the other, people can say, well, are they really truly interested? But when you want to combine them all, yes, there are physical needs. And any group in the community can do it if they're committed to helping create a healthier community.
Perhaps one of the best ways to fight childhood obesity is to show them somebody cares. And we can say, look, maybe we can help you get to a point where you're freer in your body to do more of the things that you want to. We love you as is. After all, that's certainly what Christ did. And from there, see if we can set the example of good exercise and an attitude of challenge in a graceful way to go forward in God's Spirit.
You've got to get involved. You can't be a couch potato with them, You have to get up and move. And now, my teachers are energetic and lively. They move. And when they move, the kids move. When children see you excited about what you're doing, they get excited. So sometimes I will even join in the dances or the exercises. Get out there and run and play with them, not just watch them. That's the way to get them involved.
Get involved, teach young ones, teach ones to cultivate, to work with the land and work with their hands, to see and then to be able to nourish by it.
Today's young adults don't have gardening skills. We need to get back to eating more fruits and vegetables. What better way than to try to start a trend? Rebirth the trend of gardening, and we are a very trend-oriented society. If we can start a trend and light the fire, spike the interest in gardening again as a thing to do, we feel like we can have a great impact on overall health of society.
We're speaking up and we're acting out today because a whole generation needs us to speak out for them. These ideas require each of us to be faithful enough to our Creator and to that greatest creation, our children, to know that we will overcome this we will defeat obesity. We will teach and live healthy lifestyles. Our lives and the generations that follow us require that and deserve that.
Thank you for allowing us to join you in the fight against childhood obesity. Take action. Start today.